College bani fibro dah kan ka beri gonta ngan itu iki juba kepada jongka AB kategori ABBN question paper kepada tang jongka maths mo ngan sa jongka English bajiki ngan sa hadin jam tangan pen itu iki jawab jongka tang jongka maths mentah tekane kadai ka seri A mo dak mo tesa check bahwa phi ki ba ki jengkli la ki dei ku series seri no question okay arithmetic so arithmetic 26 divide 3.75 by 0.75 and the answer is connect answer nyo connect a day 5 mo ngasa penken na kawai pat ka video ngtang shume thu direct bagia ki answer the 5 number 27 5 by 7 of 644 is 460 square root of 400 can be 29. Which of the following is a prime number? Today 19. Which of the following is a prime number? 19. Can one say about 30? 30. Okay. When a number is divided by 4, the question is 28. What is the number? Hangne number day A 112. What is the value of x in the equation 3x minus 15 minus 6 equals 0? Question number 31 is 7. Question number 32, 25 is called percentage of 6 to 5 is called how much? Question number 32 kadai 4. Question number 33 kadai positive. The square of negative number minus to minus the plus kadai positive. Okay, check bah. 33 tekan one senokte. 34 the average height of 10 students. 34 kadai 115 no or 34 kadai 115 35 kadai 6000 okay and 36 37 36 37 36 kadai 300 37 37 kadai 108 and 38 kadai 3:1 39 kadai D 0.06 then question number 40 kadai 25 41 10 men construction of 108 days 41 kadai 160 okay 42 43 42 and then 280 kilometer. What's the average of the number? Average of the number. Question number 43 can end day 4 F1 meter can end day D okay 45 what is the 45 A 200 46 what is 46 46 is 10%. What is number is 40%. Number is 380 47 950 complete the series C 16 and 49 is 26 and 50 is Thursday. Te kajing Kenya bukan pen Kenya pen I pen Syang asa ni tu video, kita ini di kerak ansar. Kebetulan.